Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Police Confront Couple After They Blow Up in the Street.
On January 4th, 2026, officers responded to a neighborhood after reports of a couple causing a disturbance.
What's going on?
You can go check her wherever you want.
Yeah, I try. I don't know what
it's
you
my
want.
girlfriend. It's because she's playing with her boyfriend and shit. And I'm not trying to hide anything. You can go check. That's what I told you.
Well, where did she go? Because I saw her running, and now I have no idea where she went.
Probably somewhere around her house. We just came from this little party by her round one.
12251?
No, round one. It's like a little.
Oh, you guys at 12251, 44th?
No, round one. It's like where you bowl.
Did you guys come from over there?
From over there.
No, round one. It's like a bowling alley.
Yeah, but you guys went to the house, right? After that?
No, that I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm telling you exactly where it came from.
So what happened? You guys just...
She was just fighting with me because her and her sister and her boyfriend are fighting.
I thought you were her boyfriend.
Huh?
I thought you were her boyfriend.
Her sister and her... Why are you trying to catch me in something?
No, that's me.
Wait.
I'm trying to figure out...
But you're not going to catch me in no weird ass shit.
Yeah, I don't care about any of what's... I don't care about any of that. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Intoxicated? One of the girls I've been intoxicated.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Intoxicated? Definitely intoxicated. Why am I walking? Because I'm intoxicated.
Where is she at? Let's start with there. Let's send some people over to talk to
there
her.
by my house, in the front of it. You can go check all you want.
What's your
I ain't hiding
address?
shit. Right here in front of it. Right in the next block.
You live right there?
I'll wait right here in the corner. You ain't catching me in shit.
You live at 11950?
You know?
What's your
Where I
address?
live at? The block across from this. Why am I walking? You ain't catching me in shit.
Alright.
I ain't doing this weird shit.
What's your address?
The block. I'm not telling you why.
Go home.
What am I doing wrong? Tell me.
So we can let you, so we can
If
have
you
you
tell
go
me what I'm doing
home.
wrong, I'll tell you exactly where I live.
Because you're intoxicated in public.
I just want you to get home.
Where am I going? And I just told you exactly where I'm going. You can't catch me.
Okay, let's walk you home.
Let's go. Let's go. What the hell? I don't do this weird ass shit.
Do you have your ID on you? Just so I can make sure I know where I'm going?
Is it wrong for me to walk around at this time for what I do?
No, because you can't tell me your address, so I want to make sure we're going to the right place. Do kill it there. Beautiful.
Man, stop doing this shit. What?
Oh,
Look at it. Look at it. Yeah? Come on, babe.
what's going on?
Come on me, what, bro?
Hold on, hold on.
No,
Stop.
hold on,
Stop
nothing. You left
walking.
me on the side of the road. I'm
Okay.
sorry, goodbye.
Okay.
I don't get. Call the cops. Come
No.
to our house. I understand. I invite you to
Honestly,
our house. Come
I'm
see.
just going around.
I invite you.
Okay.
Come on.
Ma'am, relax.
Vamos, let's go. No, don't relax. Nothing.
Come here.
'Cause
Come here.
I don't care, bro.
What happened? What
Nothing.
happened?
It doesn't matter. He wants to be the big guy. Call cops.
You call the cops. You
Okay.
didn't call the cops.
So yeah, we're two grown-ass adults. Let us go. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Go home. Go home.
Okay, goodbye.
She's so good hiking out with you right now.
Go home.
That'd be awesome.
Honestly, you can come. Let us to your house.
Right?
Just go home.
He trust you. Go
Don't
ahead,
touch
follow
me.
us.
Don't touch me.
I won't. Go ahead, follow us in her.
Go.
Nah, babe.
Touch me again, you're going to jail. Go.
Babe.
Go. Okay. All right.
Ooh. See, you messing with fire. You playing games. You playing games, man. The lady said, touch me again, you going to jail, and you actually gonna touch her, you going to jail.
I want to be with you.
All right. Well, I warned you.
Oh my God. You know I have to bury my grandfather tomorrow. You know why I'm having a funeral.
I told you that was going to happen.
It's okay. It's okay. I've been with this man for 6 months. So far,
Why's she crying?
702-121-95.
I pointed her, but go ahead. I see how this shit works. I'm not even gonna say it. Sorry.
Let's stay with him.
Cooperate. Cooperate. I promise you.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
I'm sorry I had to be the female that I am.
We'll get this all sorted out. I warned you it was going to happen. And
No, I knew it
here
was
we
going to
are.
happen, but I wanted him to see bad. I wanted him to feel bad. It was nothing towards you. It was nothing towards him. Go ahead. Hey,
scooch over a little bit to the right.
Yeah, I'll do everything. Anything you ask me.
You got anything on you,
you
man?
ask me. No, nothing.
Nothing?
No weapons. Nothing.
deep breath.
I won't. Because I just placed my pregnant sister just left. Like, you have no idea what's happened. Past 5 minutes. You're on the drunk line, so who's gonna... I'm just... I know I'm
I
good.
go to see, man.
I will. Thank you. Thank you for getting me in safe. I'm gonna look around. Can you call this one person? I can get a phone call. Call
Yeah, absolutely.
to one person because this man has no safe interest in me. This is my house. I pay all the rent. My dad will go in there.
Close the door to your own freeze, okay? Same day for me to the station. I'm see what's up with them.
Yeah, thank you.
Is there anything else in them right now?
I don't think so. They wouldn't tell me anything about what's going on, so you guys make sure they're good.
Listen, my guy about to sleep good tonight. Peaceful, quiet, you know. You know, he already intoxicated, so you know how that is. You know, when you done had a couple of drinks and everything, you know, all you want to do is go home, and as soon as you hit the bed, it's over with. Night, night. Gone. You know what I'm saying? Dead to the world, boy.
What's up?
Can you please get him too? Because he touched me and my sister, and he put his hands on my pregnancy. Can you please get him?
Why is this not rolling down?
He was the one person I was avoiding contact to. Is this on your body cameras? Can you please get him too? Because he put hands on me and my little sister and my boyfriend, and that's all the reason why we got into this altercation. If you get on body cameras, if you get on any footage of these cameras, I was running away from him to my house with my keys because he was chasing us all. Please get him too.
Now she's alleged
Please get him.
bad, so I'm gonna go chat with him.
Please get him too.
You good here?
Yeah. Man, what's your name?
I have to bury my grandfather tomorrow. You have no idea.
I need you
I'm
to
calm.
take a deep breath for me.
I'm calm.
Okay.
But can you just listen to me for 1 second?
Well, one step at a time.
Me?
Angelica, first, are these your keys?
Those are my house keys.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we have your house keys. Okay.
Can I please have them? Can I have them? I'm in handcuffs. I
Okay.
can't get into my only house, and it's not even my house. His name is on it. His uncle owns it. You guys have no idea. Everything looks bad, but you have no idea what this man has been doing. I have bruises on my arms to show, and I've never told nobody.
Okay. Angelica.
Nobody.
Angelica.
I run from him one night. I get caught for running to my house.
Okay. Angelica.
For trying to get away from him. I have to bury my grandfather at 9 a.m.
I know.
You guys have no. If I'm not there, we'll never.
What does any of this got to do with touching the officer? Because that's why she's arrested. She wanted to play games. She thought the lady cop was just going listen, she let you slide the first time. You know, we get it. You drunk, you might be a little touchy-feely, hands-on-y. You know what I mean? We get it. Okay? You know, they like talk. Some people like to talk with their hands, right? But the cop warned you. She said, listen, if you touch me again, you going to jail. It's going to be bad for you, man. Don't touch me, man. That's pretty much what she was saying. And she tried to call her bluff. She said, nah, man. And she touched her shoulder again. You going to jail. What you thought this was? You going to jail, man. Yeah. Gonna get you together. What you thought this was, man? Yeah, you not running the show. Now you wanna the tears and he been beating me and this and that and yada yada. And that can all be true. You know what I'm saying? That could very well be true. But that doesn't have anything to do with what you actually arrested for. So, what's going on here?
Forgive myself. So please just let me call my mother. So if you guys are gonna keep me overnight, I understand.
Gotta call mom.
I understand how the law works. My cousin and a lot of my family used to call my
No one cares.
It works. Let me call my mother to let her know where I am. If you don't know, I skipped on the funeral.
Angelica. Okay. We're gonna try to figure everything out. Okay. I wasn't there. So.
I know.
But.
I know.
We need to be able to talk, right? Okay. Angelica. First off, can I get your name and information?
Angelica.
Okay.
I don't even live here. I just moved here with this man. I have bruises on my arms to show it. My sister and my mom, they all know.
Okay, Angelica, how do you spell your last name?
Please call my mom or my dad. He is not my safety contact, my emergency contact.
Okay.
If anything, he's the one I'm trying to get away from. Just call my mom or my dad.
He's not gonna come over here right now, okay? We're gonna keep him away from you right now.
Okay, before I leave this premises, please call my mom or my dad.
Okay. Take it easy. Okay.
I have bruises on my arms to prove that he's been abusive.
Where is he and where are you?
I don't know. Okay. He's telling that cop that I'm jealous of her. Okay, go ahead.
Angelica.
He can have that.
Hey,
He's about a quarter-mile away from me right now. He's not touching you.
No, but
Take
you
a
don't
deep
know he's
breath.
been not touched me for months.
He's not going to do anything right now.
Hey,
Relax. It's okay.
It's a little hard to relax when you're under these circumstances.
Okay.
And I've been in handcuffs before, not under the circumstances you think. Like, I know how this shit goes, bro.
You good? Here, I'm gonna try to run her file.
How this shit goes.
Under these circumstances, you put yourself in this situation by touching the officer after she already told you not to touch her.
Are you good with her right now, or do you want to hold your spot? Okay.
There's 3 of them.
I just want to clarify some things because she started alleging a battery on his end towards her.
Okay.
So
No, after trying to make sure she's good.
Huh?
Stand up.
Alright, so here's your rights before I ask you some questions, okay? Just because you're in handcuffs, okay?
Okay, you guys are asking each other questions. What do I do to call my mom? What do I know? Because it's been at least 30 minutes and my mom still has no recollection that I'm obtained. Neither does my dad. It's like they're both going through shit and neither of you has at least updated them when I've been asking them for 5 minutes. Please call them. Please.
How old are you?
23.
You're a grown adult. You can call your parents at the station.
Okay, so take me to the station.
You will in a moment. Just
Okay,
wait.
I hope they like, can you just look at the bruises on my arm?
So, Angelica, when we get over there, we will. Okay. It's cold out here. I don't want to rub your
I know,
sleeves
and
or
you
anything
know how
like
messed
that.
up that is. Because I've never called the cops on him. I've tried to love him and accept him for who he is and change him.
If you don't realize, he didn't call the police on you. Somebody random called the cops because you guys were screaming in the middle of the street, running around each other.
Okay, so what do we do from here instead of arguing with questioning? I'm sorry, no offense, but
Right now, you're
what's the
arrested
next
for
step?
battery to a police officer.
For battery to a police officer. Do you know what happened? You know, my man told him she's probably
I don't
jealous
care what
of
happened
you.
prior. I saw you charge at my officer. That's what I saw.
Okay. I'm sorry, I charged. Can I get somebody else? Where's your sergeant? Can I please talk to your
Sergeant's right there. Okay.
supervisor?
Well, everyone,
Can I talk
you'll
to
talk to him
her?
at the station. Okay.
No.
And he just made that shit up. He just made that up on the fly, boy. What? She charged at the officer? Wait, hold on. No, it's because she touched her. She touched him, or she touched her, and then she said, "Don't touch me again." And she was standing beside her and was like, "That's what happened." You what? Charged at the office? You just come on now. You just made that shit up, man. You made that shit up on the fly, man.
Can I talk to her? And I know how my rights go. Trust me, I've dealt with this shit before. I'm only 23, but trust me, I've dealt with this shit many times. Can I please your sergeant?
Hey, Sarge, he wants to talk to you.
Your sergeant?
He's right here. Oh, she can call mom at the station. She just wants to call her right now. So
Call who?
her mom.
Oh, her mom?
Yeah.
Call my mom. I have to bury my grandfather in about 10 hours. Okay. I just want to call them and let them know I'm okay. I know.
Hold on. Let me talk. You'll literally, if you participate and you comply,
I am, and
hold on, you will be out in about 40 minutes.
Okay.
As soon as you get to the station, we'll allow you as many phone calls as you want. I am the sergeant. I promise that. These are good officers.
This is
here.
I care about my grandfather more than my mom.
I promise you, you will get your phone call. You will get your phone call, I promise. You will get minimum 3 phone calls.
In how many minutes?
You will literally be, if you comply, you will literally be out in 40 minutes.
I'm good. Trust me. My parents have raised me right, and I will. Good. But I just want to make sure that I get what I deserve.
Yes, absolutely.
Because I've seen videos. That's all I'm asking.
Everything's on camera. Trust me, ma'am. You're going to be perfectly fine. Okay.
Thank you for.
You're welcome.
Because they didn't say that. So thank you.
No, it's everything's on camera.
So can we go now?
Yeah, we will.
My name is Angelica, so we can pick you up.
Hey, if she's going to be the most rowdy, I mean, she seems like she's calm now.
She's 50-50. Just adamant she calls her
Let's
mom.
process her first. He's calmer than she is, so let's get her going first, her process first. Someone hang out with him in the interview room because we got to keep them separate. Even though they know each other, we got to keep them separate. Okay? All right. All right. Got that.
Did he admit to a battery?
Oh, the domestic?
Yeah.
No, he denied any type of altercation, but maybe he's trying to protect her, but I don't know.
The woman was charged with battery on a law enforcement, while the man was charged with obstructing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Obstructing? What? They just threw that together, because how is that? He wasn't even really a problem. The whole reason they ended up running into her because they was walking to his house. Come on, man. And then, so pretty much he got locked up because she thought that he called the cops, but a random called the cops. He didn't call the cops, but she thought he did. And now she's saying this and that or whatever. And it could be true, but you haven't called the cops with your attacks and stuff like that or whatever. And you was willy-nilly ready to go home with him. So how does all of that turn into y'all was walking home? Like, I don't know, man. This shit, no. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.